welcome to Maths World YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment my YouTube channel to get new and innovative content about maths. Today we'll discuss question number 4. The product of 5 less than 3 times a certain number and 1 less than 4 times the number is 7. Find a number. So now you're going to solve the question accordingly. The products, two setting equations would be there and you're going to multiply them. 3 4s are 12, x square, then minus 3x, then minus 5 4s are 20x, and plus 5 is equal to 7. 12x square, minus 23x, and plus 5 minus 7. 12x square minus 23x and minus 2 is equals to 0. Now you're going to simplify it and it will be equals to 12x minus 24x plus x, that would be minus and product equally. So like this, we are going to take common 12x, so x plus x minus 2 and minus 1 plus 1 common x plus x minus 2 is equals to 0, minus 2, and 12x minus 1 is equals to 0. X minus 2 equals to 0, 12x plus 1 equals to 0, x is equals to 2, and 12x minus 1, x is equals to minus 1 by 12. Like this you're going to solve the questions and you will provide the required number r, the required number r 2 and minus 1 by 12. So don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment my YouTube channel to get new and innovative content about